Hey guys, welcome back to Amazing Amir, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to use Storage Sense feature on Windows 10. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First and foremost, let's understand more about Storage Sense. Storage Sense is a feature which was introduced by Microsoft in their Creators Update, which was released back in 2017. Storage Sense helps you improve storage space problems in your system by eliminating the less important files of your operating system automatically, such as files in the recycle bin, temporary files, etc. With Storage Sense, you don't have to worry anymore about excluding your photos, videos, or uninstalling programs. Keeping these things apart, let's start the tutorial. To activate this feature, it's simple. Open the Start menu and click on Settings, then System, and then select Storage. Now enable Storage Sense. If you want, it is possible to customize more options. Do this by clicking on Change how we free up space. On this screen, you will see more ways to customize and how Storage Sense works. Deleting temporary files that your apps don't use, or deleting files that are in the recycle bin for more than 30 days. You can enable both the options or choose the one that you want. Besides this, Storage Sense has an immediate cleaning option to discard junk files on demand if you are running low on space. Just click the Clean Now button and wait for the process to complete. That's it. Now your system will be in charge of freeing up space on your computer. Thanks for watching, and also follow me on my social handles. I know this video was short, but my task is to share information, whether it be minimal information or aggregate information. And my name is Amazing Amir, and I'm signing out.